access the login screen, navigate to control.mymood.com. Enter your email address and the password you previously created. Upon logging in successfully, you will be able to select which store you'd like to manage if applicable, and which device within that business to manage. This is the home screen. Here you can view what's new to the site and view any alerts from your devices. You can manage other stores and devices tied to your account by clicking your username at the top right-hand corner and selecting Manage Devices. In the lower portion, a yellow warning is given when a network device hasn't connected in the last 2 to 5 days. If a device hasn't connected in more than 5 days, a critical alert will be shown in red. When you click the warning text, a report will come up showing which network devices are having trouble connecting. If you run into any problems, our contact information is located here.